everyone! Today we're making Play-Doh Popsicles! Yay! I love to make Play-Doh Popsicles. I have here a Play-Doh mold and some popsicle sticks. We are going to be using different Play-Doh colors. So let's get started. For my first popsicle, I'm going to be using 3 different colors. The first color I'm going to use is green. Our second color is yellow. And the third color is orange. Now we're going to put our popsicle stick here in the center. We're going to close our mold and we're going to press really hard. We need to remove the excess and our popsicle will be done. And this is how our first popsicle looks like. Do you guys like it? I really like it. I think it looks really cute. Okay, and we're ready to start our second popsicle. For this popsicle, I'm going to be using the color blue. I'm also going to be using brown Play-Doh and white Play-Doh. Okay, once we put all of our colors in our mold, we need to put the popsicle stick in the middle like we did before. We're just gonna close our mold and press really hard. We have to remove any extra Play-Doh that we have, and our popsicle is done. Look at that, I think it looks delicious. And we're ready to start making our third popsicle. For this one, I'm only going to be using 2 colors. I'm going to use the color white and red. I think those 2 will look cute together, don't you think? Let's place our popsicle stick right here in the center. Let's close our mold. Press really hard. And our popsicle is done! Wow! I think I like this one a lot. What do you think? Do you like it? To make it more colorful and delicious, we're gonna put some green sprinkles on top. And this is how our popsicle looks like. Wow, I think it looks really good. So we have 3 popsicles so far. I think we're gonna make another one. What do you think? Now I'm going to make a rainbow popsicle. This Play-Doh has different colors like pink, yellow, orange, and that's why it's a rainbow popsicle. Going to place our popsicle stick in the center. Let's close our mold and press. And here's our rainbow popsicle. Wow, I think it looks really cute. It looks delicious. I want to eat it. Oh wait, we can't eat Play-Doh, right? Yeah, don't eat Play-Doh, it's not good for you. Okay, let's make another popsicle. For this popsicle, I'm going to be using 2 colors. I'm going to use purple Play-Doh and pink Play-Doh. Let's press the Play-Doh down. Let's put our popsicle stick right here in the center. Let's close, press, and remove the excess. And our popsicle's done. Wow, I like this one a lot too. I don't know which one is my favorite now. I have an idea. Let's put some white sprinkles on this one. I think it will look cuter. I don't know, what do you think? Do you like it better with the sprinkles or without the sprinkles? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments. Okay, so here you can see the 5 popsicles I just made. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. I'm not too sure which one is my favorite. Which one? I like them all, but I have 2 favorites. My first favorite is this one with chocolate, vanilla, and blueberries or blue. And my second one is this purple with pink. Let me know which one is your favorite. If you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more Play-Doh videos. You can also share this video with friends and family. That will make me really happy. Well guys, that's all for today. I'll see you soon in another Play-Doh video. Bye bye!